So you're looking for a hardtop gazebo. I have one here. I'm going to show you, and I love it. And you'll see why. So here's my 10 by 12 hardtop gazebo. Yes, it's sitting next to my portable hot tub in the wintertime. The hot tub's going underneath this. So this comes in 3 boxes, and the instructions recommend up to 4 people to use. Assemble this. I did it pretty much myself in 2.5 days. I did have to have my daughter help when I was putting together the basic frame, which is your end post, and then this top railing here. And then I had my son help me just kind of move the whole thing back and forth a couple of times. Other than that, I was able to assemble this myself. I love it. Take your time and you will love it. It is nice. This is kind of aluminum with, I believe this was a steel top. Up here, and it has this nice rain gutter. I chose this design where the ribs are going up and down because that way the water can flow. I've seen others where the ribs are going back and forth. And to me, it's just asking for trouble. You want to get that water off of the roof as quick as possible. In the very top up there is an internal screen, and it's trying to focus on my finger. And I'm going to show you that in a second. So we're aluminum frame. We're steel top up here. Take your time. Like I said, follow the instructions. There's a million screws. You're going to lay all the parts out and get overwhelmed by the parts. But when you are done, you're going to love it. So we have a net. Here's your bug, your mosquito net. And then you have your privacy curtains. It does have the 3 hooks. I have this light with a LED color changing bulb in it. And it has its own remote. You can set a TV in the corner, have your fire pit down here and kick back and just enjoy your evening. You can hang lights. You can hang whatever you want up on top. This is supposed to have a 500-pound load bearing for snow. So again, this is my 10 by 12. I'm going to show you a clip here real quick on what it looks like at night. And in the meantime, enjoy your new gazebo because I absolutely love mine now that it is done. So this is my night setting. So once you get your gazebo, I'll put together, I've got me a little gas fire pit. Chairs seated around. You can't see the gazebo. Yes, it's at night. A light suspended from the ceiling. It's a LED color-changing bulb with a remote. You get this gazebo, you get it all put together, and you have yourself a really nice evening oasis. Enjoy it.